This video will walk through the configuration of Oracle's publishing framework. Now, the publishing framework is one of two means of exporting content for integration with other enterprise systems. And the framework provides a means to define what will be published, how often it will be published, and where to publish the content to. So let's get started and see how we can integrate our Oracle Cloud services with our other systems. Now, the first step we need to do is create a location for the data. Now, in this example, I'm going to be leveraging our web center, also known as the content server. And here's our web server. If you are unsure of where your content server is, simply navigate to your instance URL. After the host name and port, just put a /cs. That should take you into your web center content. Now, within web center, you can go ahead and browse your content and look in your contribution folders. Now, this is where I'm going to place my content. I've just created a folder here called integration. Some people use PIM. All you need to do is go ahead and create a folder if you want, and then we will use this location later when we set up our scheduling job, and this is where our content will be put after it's exported. And as you can see, we have nothing in here now. And now we're ready to define our trading community service, also known as a spoke system. So to do that, we're going to go to Setup and Maintenance. And we're looking for our task, Manage Trading Community Source Systems. And here we're going to create a new one. And I'm going to call it Mozimo Publishing, or Moz Publishing for short. And we want to enable this for items. Okay, so let's save and close. And now we're ready to set up our spoke system. So to do that, we're going to go to Manage Spoke System. Okay, so the first step is to open up our Moz Publishing system, which we just defined. And we're going to go to Publication Options. Now, here you can control with a lot of granularity what you want published. For this example, I'm just going to worry about the current revision. And we don't have a lot of content in this demo system, but I'm just going to pick a few things to bring over. Okay, next is our item selection rules. Now here, if we wanted to, maybe we only want to publish a certain subclass, like we have a part subclass, we don't want a fastener subclass, whatever it might be. So here we want to go ahead and add a row. And we want, in this case, I'm going to say, I want everything. I want an item, the root item class, and I want to include any item subclasses. Okay, next let's look at our publishing criteria. We want to set this to publish. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and save and close our spoke system, and we should be ready to publish some content. So let's go ahead and look at our scheduled tasks. So for that, we're going to go to the navigator, going to go to Scheduled Processes, and we want to schedule a new task. So we'll do a search, and we want to search on Product Hub Publication Job. And we'll click OK. Okay, so now we can define our processing details. And if we wanted to be advanced, we could set up a schedule to have this processing job run on a continual basis. For this example, we're not going to do that. We're just going to run it once. So we'll select our spoke system, which is Moz Publishing. We are going to publish items, and that's it for this example. Now, if you want more information on this, there's documentation in Oracle Support. There's also a lot of information in the help. So criteria date, again, we don't have much information in this, so I'm going to go ahead and just say from the beginning of the year. Now the folder is the folder that we set up, only it's not PIM. I believe it was called Integration. And I will double check that. It is Integration. And let's go ahead and submit this job, and we'll check back when it's complete. Okay, our publishing job has successfully completed. So let's go to Web Center now and take a look at the content that was created. So here's our Web Center folder. We'll go ahead and refresh this. And here is the output of our publishing job. So let's go ahead and download this and open it up. So as you can see, we have an XML file in here. So if we open it up, sure enough, you can see we have all of our item information in here. Now, in summary, the publication framework is a great means to perform batch exports of content, allowing companies such as yours the opportunity to integrate with other enterprise-class systems. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at MazimoCorp.com. Thanks for watching.